Noticed an error on your Instagram story after posting? Now you can fix it without having to delete and repost. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to edit your Instagram story after posting. Now let's get started. To edit an Instagram story after posting, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Open your story and tap to the slide you want to edit. In the menu at the bottom, tap Edit. If you don't see this option at the bottom, you can also tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit Story. In the pop-up menu, tap Edit. This will delete your original post and reopen it in the story editor so you can fix any spelling mistakes, move around any overlays or stickers you had added, change your music, etc. You can add new text, stickers, music, and other details if you'd like. This is also a good option if you accidentally posted something to close friends that you wanted on your public story, or vice versa. When you're finished making all your edits, tap Your Story or Close Friends to repost your story. Your edited story will then be shared. Any previous views, likes, or comments on your original story that was posted before editing will be removed, and your newly edited story will have its own fresh start. That's all it takes to edit an Instagram story after posting. Want to learn about another new Instagram feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.